Hi guys! In this video we are going to be putting house wrap around the second floor of our house. We've unrolled a bit of the house wrap and we are hanging it up. The way we are hanging it up is we got a rope and tied a piece of wood to it on the bottom, and we have a hook on the top, and we are hooking it to the top of our OSB, which we made a bit higher. We are starting where the door frame is because our frame is very straight and we used a laser level to make it very straight. So we are straightening the side of the house wrap against the door opening. Once we get the house wrap straightened, my dad will use the staple gun and he will staple the house wrap to the OSB. Starting is the hardest part when doing the house wrap. If you are also going to be doing the house wrap and you have a 2-story house and are going to be using a ladder, then this would be a good way for you to do it. If you have a 1-story house or are just using a scaffold, then you could just hold it up and just go around and staple it. The way we did here, it would have been a lot easier if we didn't unroll the roll and just hung it up, still rolled, and started stapling, and then just moved it over 4 feet for the next staples and just kept moving the roll down like we're gonna be doing for the rest of the house. If you don't have something to hook it onto, you could hang up piece of string from your roof and hook it onto that. That would also work. We are hooking the house wrap onto the OSB because we made it a little bit higher than the second top plate so that it would hold the insulation and the roof better, and we can hang the house wrap from it while we put it up. So we've almost finished this side. My dad is stapling a couple of extra staples, and we're unrolling the house wrap a little bit at a time, and the wall is looking very straight. Here you can see the hook that is holding the house wrap up. You can see that the hook is hooked onto the OSB like this, and if you look over here, you can see how we've tied a piece of wood with the rope so that the house wrap does not slide off with the rope. We have almost finished this wall. You can see that it's a lot smoother when we unroll the roll of house wrap a little bit at a time, and the work is going really fast. So we've done the house wrap around more than half of the second floor. Our roll is ending and the house wrap is looking really nice. Now we are going to work on the windows. For the windows, for now, we are just cutting them like this so the wind doesn't wreck them. And after, my dad is stapling the corners down with the staple gun. Our roll of house wrap ended, so we got another one and we're lining it up against the door opening again like the other one because we want our house wrap to be very straight, and the door frame is very straight because we did it by laser level. And now we are going to finish rolling the house wrap out. Here my dad is cutting the house wrap for the entrance, and he's going to do the same thing like he did with the windows. And after, we're going to just finish rolling the rest of the house wrap out. So we've gotten all of the house wrap rolled out around the second floor. In the end, our way worked very well, and we did the whole house wrap around the second floor in a couple of hours. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!